Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this royal turtle shaker charm out of polymer clay, resin, and this snow globe. So using two pliers, I'm opening up a jump ring and I'm adding a chain as well as a little head pin top thing that I got from Sophie and Toffee, and I'm closing up the jump ring. And I decided the chain was too big, so I shortened it up and I added a star to it. And I added UV resin to the little dome part, and I attached it to my globe. Next, to make the turtle, I took some white clay and I formed it into a mound shape, kind of like a hamburger bun. And using my glass dome, I made a little indent. Now taking some blue clay, I'm going to make another dome shape, and this will be the bottom part of the turtle shell. And I'm going to make the turtle shell indent by making a pentagon and little lines coming out from each corner. And I'm placing that on top of the white part of my clay. Next, I'm taking some mint clay and I'm rolling to a fat cylinder so I can wrap it around the turtle shell. And I decided to cut off the excess white part of the clay just for better looks. I'm cutting off the excess and I'm blending the sides together. For the turtle head, I'm taking a ball of clay and I'm flattening it out on one side and pinching the others to make kind of like a fat half circle shape. And for extra stability, I'm adding an eye pin to where the two lines of the shell lining meets, and I'm placing my turtle head onto it. For the feet, I'm taking some blue clay and I'm pinching it into a flattened triangle. And I'm using my blade and cutting it at a slant. And for the tail, I'm pinching the blue clay into a cone shape. And I'm also going to cut that at a slant as well. And I'm going to place that on the bottom of my turtle shell. And for the face, I'm giving it dot eyes and a line smile. Then really carefully, we're going to remove the glass globe from the turtle and bake that according to instructions. And once baked, it should be like this. I decided to fill the globe with a lot of pearls just for extra color. And I'm placing super glue on the rim of the glass dome and gluing it onto my turtle. For extra shine, I decided to glaze my turtle with some UV resin, which I'll be linking in the description box below. Next, I glued a little pearl star on top of the metal finding just to cover it up. And carefully, I brushed a little bit of UV resin on the edge of the glass globe. And I sprinkled on some glitter on top of the resin and let that cure completely. And I brushed off the extra glitter. And to make this turtle royal, I decided to add some UV resin to a gold metal finding of a crown, and I cured it on top of the turtle's head. And I added a little pearl to cover up the little eye pin. And finally, you should have your own royalty shaker turtle, such as this. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I did want to make it into a snow globe with actual water inside, but I've always kind of failed at snow globes and shaker charms with water, so I decided to keep it dry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see for my next video in the comment section below. Thank you!